All right, guys, we got a '06 Honda Odyssey here, and the customer's complaint is the AC does not get cold. And so when I get in it and I go to check it out, turn the AC all the way on low, come over, hit the AC button. It says it goes to AC off. I hit it on. I can hear the engine change RPM, but I don't hear the compressor engage. So we have a compressor not engaging issue. Now, I've already diagnosed this, and I hooked our AC machine up and I did a static pressure test, and as you can see, we had around 72 psi on just a static pressure on the AC. So we know that there's enough pressure there to turn on that cutout switch. So that can't be the issue. I went ahead and pulled up a wiring diagram here. So you can see there's the compressor clutch, and it's driven by the AC compressor clutch relay, which is also powered by fuse number 12. And so probably the first thing we need to do is come over here to the underhood electrical bus, and we're going to check that fuse 12, if you don't mind holding that for me. So break out the trusty old meter. Let's see here. Let's see where fuse 12 is. Let's turn this around the right way. Let's see here. Right there. Fuse 12 is the clutch. So it's above these three relays. 7.5 amp. All right, so that's the one right there. Let's just make sure that we got. All right, we do have power there on both sides, so fuse is good. This is the relay for that, but you can see it was loose in there. But we have 4 terminals on here. The bigger terminals are obviously going to be our controlled side, while the 2 smaller ones are going to be our control. So we know that because the amount of current needed, it's always going to be the bigger side. So looking at the wiring diagram here, at the relay, I should have power here coming in, which is going to be one of the big terminals. And then I should have power going out when the relay comes on at the other terminal there. So I'm going to go ahead and start this thing and turn the AC on real quick. All right, so we got the engine running and got that turned on. I'm not sure which one of these are which, but we're gonna just see what we got. All right, so we got voltage there, and we have ground here. So we're good there. And on the control or the bigger side, I've got power going in. So I just need power coming out. Now here's something that I'm gonna do, just kind of a quick down and dirty test. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my meter and put it in the amp setting, and I'm gonna jumper across terminals 1 and 2. And what that's gonna do, the power from fuse 12 should jumper straight to the compressor, and I should get my compressor clutch engaging if everything's working. So let's take the meter here, and I'm going to put it over in the amp setting. We're going to put it on DC amps. Now when I do that, these meter leads have basically become a fuse jumper. So I could go from one end to the other, and if this works right, my compressor should engage. All right, you guys hear that? And you probably can't see it down there, but that compressor, yes, it's spinning. My AC AC lines here are getting cold now. Okay, and it was pulling about 2.8 amps if we looked at that. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'm safe to say that this is the problem, because our computer's providing the ground. We've got our fuse here providing power on this side, so our control circuit's good. And we just now tested our control circuit, and it was good. We were able to jumper across that and it come on. So the only thing left is it's got to be that relay there. I don't know if you can hear that, but the relay's got a little rattle inside. So let's shut this off. Yep. So we checked. We had power. Excuse me, wrong relay. We had power here, and then when we jumpered from 1 to 2, which took the power from that fuse straight to the AC compressor clutch. So that means that we are all okay. Now, here's my new fuse, or excuse me, relay. Let's put that dude in there. All right. Now let's start her up and see if that AC clutch engages. All right, looks like it's working. We've got the AC clutch spinning and it's going. Let's see if I can. Kind of hard to see it down there. There it is up there. Yeah, it's spinning. It's looking good. I can kind of feel my lines here, and they're getting cold. And we got cold air flow. All right. So I just wanted to make this video, show you my thought process of how we go through and diagnose. So see you later.